Introducing the new Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, the latest addition to the A series lineup. With its sleek and stylish design, the A14 5G comes in 4 different colors: light green, dark red, black and silver. Powered by Samsung Exynos 1335G processor, the A14 5G delivers lightning-fast speeds and smooth multitasking capabilities. With 5G capabilities, you can stream, download, and game with ease, even in crowded areas. The A14 5G features a 6.6-inch Full HD plus 90Hz display, providing a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. The device also has a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The device also has a large 5000 mAh battery, which can last up to 24 hours on a single charge. It also features fast charging capabilities, so you can get back to using your phone quickly. The A14 5G also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for added security and convenience, and it runs on the latest Android 13 OS with One UI Core 5. With its powerful specs and affordable price, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is the perfect choice for anyone looking for a high-performing smartphone.